લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે બાયનોમિયલ એક્સપાન્શન એનો ટાઈપ 2 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ ટાઈપ 3 ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ મિડલ ટર્મ. ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ હાઉ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ એક્ઝામ્પલ. First of all, you should find out middle term. So, what is equation of middle term? Middle term is equal to n by 2 plus 1. ઇક્વેશન ઉપરથી આપણે ખ્યાલ આવશે કે કઈ ટર્મ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે. ઇન કેસ આન્સર ઇન ફ્રેક્શન then find before and after term. Say for example આપણો આન્સર આવ્યો 7.5, તો 7.5 પહેલાની that is 7 અને 7.5 પછીની that is 8, એટલે કે 7th ટર્મ અને 8th ટર્મ આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની રહેશે. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ. obtain middle term of 2x raised to x no square minus 1 upon x raised to 6. Okay, x plus a raised to n. X is equal to x square, a is equal to minus 1 upon x, n is equal to 6. Okay, સૌથી પહેલા middle term is equal to n by 2 plus 1, 6 by 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 that is 4. એટલે આપણે T4 ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે. Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. T4 that is T3 plus 1, so r is equal to 2. Sorry, r is equal to 3. 6c3. X means x square raised to n minus r. n minus r that is 6 minus 3. A minus 1 upon x raised to 3. 6c3, 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 by 3 by 2 that is 20. X square raised to 3 minus 1 raised to 3 that is minus 1 divided by x cube. 20. This is cube, cancel it. X no square multiplied by minus 1. So minus 20 x raised to 2. This is your first answer. Now next example number 2. Find out obtain middle term. So x plus a raised to n, x is equal to x by 3, a is equal to minus 3 by x, n is equal to 5. Middle term n by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 1, 2.5 plus 1, 3.5. So we have to find out third and fourth term, that is T3 and T4. First of all, find T3. What is Tn? Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. First of all, T3, that is T2 plus 1, r is equal to 2, 5c2. X means x by 3 raised to 5 minus 2. A minus 3 by x raised to 3 raised to 2, sorry. 5c2 10, x raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 3 that is 27. Minus 3 no square that is 9, x no square. Square cube cancel એટલે એક ઘાત વધશે. 10 multiplied by x, 9 3s are 27 divided by 3. 10x divided by 3. Now T4. T3 plus 1. 5c3. X by 3 raised to 3. X by 3 raised to 5 minus 3. Minus 3 by x raised to 3. 10 x by 3 raised to 2 minus 3 raised to 3, that is minus 27 divided by x cube. 10 x square minus 27 divided by 3 no square 9 multiplied by x cube. This is minus 3, this is 1. So minus 30 divided by x. Middle term is x by 10x divided by 3 or minus 3 by minus 30 by x. Next, example number 3. Find middle term of 2x upon 3 minus 3y upon 2. Okay. X plus a raised to n. What is x? X is 2x by 3. What is a? A is equal to minus 3y divided by 2. What is n? N means 9. Now what is middle term? Middle term is equal to n by 2 plus 1, 9 by 2 plus 1, that is 4.5 plus 1, that is 5.5. So we have to find out fifth term, that is T5 and T6. Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. T5, first of all T5, that is T4 plus 1, n means 9, C4, x means 2x by 3 raised to 9 minus 4, a means minus 3y divided by 2 raised to 4, 9C4. It is 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 by 4 by 3 by 2, that is 126. 2x by 3 raised to 5 minus 3y divided by 2 raised to 4. 126, 2 raised to 5, x raised to 5, 3 raised to 5 multiplied by minus 3 raised to 4, y raised to 4, 2 raised to 4. Here 3 raised to 5, here minus 3 plus ખાત છે એટલે minus minus plus થઈ જશે એટલે બાકી રહેશે 3. સેમ 2 અહીંયા બાકી રહેશે 2. એટલે 126 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x raised to 5 multiplied by y raised to 4 divided by 3. 126 by 3, that is 42 multiplied by 2, that is 84. 84 x raised to 5 y raised to 4. (126 by 3), that is 42. 42 multiplied by 2, that is 84. Now next, example number 4. Find middle term in expansion of x plus a raised to n. X is equal to 2x, a is equal to minus 3 by x, n is equal to 20. Middle term n by 2 plus 1, 20 by 2 plus 1, 10 plus 1, that is 11. Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. T11 is equal to T10 plus 1, that is 20C10. X means 2x raised to 20 minus 10, a minus 3 by x raised to 10. 20C10. 20C10, that is 20C10 એમ નામ રાખીએ 20C10. 2 raised to 10, x raised to 10 minus 3 raised to 10 divided by x raised to 10. X raised to 10, x raised to 10 cancel. 20C10, 2 raised to 10, 1024 divided by multiplied by minus 3 raised to 10 59049 multiplied by 1024, that is 20C10 multiplied by 60466,176. Next, example number 5. Find middle term in the expansion of 3x minus x raised to 3 divided by 6 raised to 7. X plus a raised to n. What is x? X is equal to 3x. What is a? Minus x cube divided by 6. What is n? N is 7. Middle term, n by 2 plus 1, 7 by 2 plus 1, that is 3.5 plus 1, that is 4.5. So T4 and T5. Tn is equal to Tr plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. T4, that is T3 plus 1, that is 7C3 3x raised to 7 minus 3 minus x cube divided by 6 raised to 3. 7C3, 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 35. 3x raised to 4 minus x raised to 6 divided by, this is minus x raised to 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9 divided by 6 raised to 3. Okay, so 35, 3 raised to 4, x raised to 4, here minus x raised to 9 divided by 6 raised to 3. So 35 multiplied by 3 raised to 4, 81, x raised to 9 plus 4, that is x raised to 13 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 6 no cube, 216. 216 divided by 81, 216 divided by 3, that is 72. 81 divided by 3, that is 81 divided by 3, that is 27. 27 divided by 3, that is 9. 72 divided by 3, that is 24. So 35 multiplied by 9 multiplied by minus 1, that is minus 315. X raised to 13 divided by 24. Now T5 T5 is equal to T4 plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. What is n? N means 7. 7C4. What is x? X means 3x. 3x raised to 7 minus 4. What is a? A means x cube divided by 6 minus x cube divided by 6. Raised to 4. Now simplify it. 7C4, that is 7C3, 35. 3x raised to 3 minus x raised to 3 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 4. 35, 3 raised to 3, x raised to 3 minus x raised to minus plus, because ઓડ સાઇન ઇવન સાઇન છે, પાવર ઇવન છે, ધેટ ઇઝ x રેઝ ટુ 12 ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 6 રેઝ ટુ 4. So 35 multiplied by 3 cube, 27 multiplied by x raised to 15 divided by 6 raised to 4. 1296 divided by 9, that is 144. 27 divided by 9, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 135, sorry, 3 multiplied by 35, not 135, 105, x raised to 15 divided by 144. Now last of this type, example number 6. Obtain middle term in the expansion of 3x minus 2x square divided by 5 raised to 6. Now x plus a raised to n. What is x? X means 3x. What is a? Minus 2x square divided by 5. What is n? N is 6. Middle term, n by 2 plus 1, 6 by 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, that is 4. T4 આપણે find કરવાની છે. What is term? Tn is equal to TR plus 1 NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. We have to find out T4, that is T3 plus 1. So our r is equal to 3. Now n is equal to 6c3. X 3x raised to 6 minus 3. A minus 2x square divided by 5 raised to 3. 6c3, 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 by 3 by 2, that is 20. 3x raised to 3 minus 2x square so minus 2 raised to 3 divided by x raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 3. 20, 3 નો ક્યુબ, x નો ક્યુબ, minus 2 raised to 3, x raised to 6, 5 raised to 3. Okay. 20 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, that is 27. X no cube, x raised to 3, that is x raised to 9. Minus 2 no cube, minus 8 divided by 5 no cube, 125. 125 by 5, that is 25. 20 by 5, that is 4. So 4 multiplied by 27 multiplied by minus 8, that is minus 864 multiplied by x raised to 9. 864 x raised to 9 divided by 25. So this is your answer. Here our type 3 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 4. Thank you.